Here, I would like to share how to undo or recover your blog edit in WordPress. So if you accidentally change something or mess up with your content, don't worry, you can easily fit it. Let's go together. So please go to post your blog section and then select the article or blog you have edited and then click edit and then go to right side. You will see revision. For this blog, I already revised for 11 times, so I have to clear 11. So you too also, you have to clear the numbers of revision, and you will see a timeline. This is a timeline or your previous version, and just drag the slide to go back to the version before you edit. When you find the correct one and click restore this revision, that's all. Your content is back, no need to worry. This is one of the most useful features if you're working on SEO or written blog. Save this so you don't panic next time. Thank you.